Welcome once again. The gospel reading for today's liturgy is very brief. It says, Jesus came with his disciples into the house. Again, the crowd gathered, making it impossible for them even to eat. When his relatives heard of this, they set out to seize him, for they said, he is out of his mind. What an odd sounding gospel reading. But it reminded me of something that happened to me, about 15 years ago. And it was on Easter Sunday afternoon, and my siblings, nieces, nephews were gathering at my sister's house. And as I often do, I became engaged in a discussion about politics and about religion and about race, all those things that we're told not to talk about. And after a while, it became somewhat heated. And eventually, one of my relatives stood up and defended himself, saying that I had accused him wrongly of, not being a very good person. I don't recall having done that, but that's the way he understood what I was saying. And I was reminded of that story because it says when Jesus' relatives heard about what he was doing, they set out to seize him, and they said, he's out of his mind. What a strong thing for the author of the Gospel of Mark to say of Jesus. Now, I in no way want to compare myself to Jesus. If I did that, I would be out of my mind. My point simply is this, that if we want to be disciples of Jesus, if we want to imitate Jesus, then we need to do as he did. We need to welcome everyone, which is certainly something that angered his relatives. We need to speak the truth. We need to show the courage to truly love even family members, even when it means at times disagreeing with them. This is the hard part of discipleship. This is the part that Jesus exemplifies in this gospel reading today. He had the courage to face the criticism of even his own relatives. So, love of neighbor, love of truth, having the courage to love and the courage to speak the truth are part of our Christian calling. Thank you for watching today.